Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and today I want to show you how to disassemble this fountain pen. You may need this information for restoration job or for service this pen for cleaning everything inside. So possibly you're looking at this information right now and can't find. So I hope this video could help. But first of all, what I must to say, don't start to disassemble this pen if you don't know what for and how to do it. I already have made all preparation, job, heating, like so, everything is done, everything is clean. So right now it's very easy to disassemble this pen. If you don't know how to disassemble fountain pens, so better send this pen to Montblanc company for restoration or service, or find experienced restorer and then you can send this pen to him if something is wrong with your Montblanc Boheme. And so let's start. First of all, of course, we can remove the cup, this beautiful cup. Let's put it here. And first of all, what we must to do is to remove this end part of the pen, and we can unscrew it like so. Just unscrew it, so. And here we can find two little holes, one here and one there. So we need a special tool to unscrew this part. I have the tool like this. You can get any other or make it yourself. Second, so just put inside and unscrew. So now we can remove the inner mechanism. Here's two parts, don't lose something. And here is the nib and mechanism. So now we can unscrew the nib. So just take the nib and unscrew. I already have everything prepared, so easy to disassemble for myself now. So this part is off, nib, unit. This part could be removed as well. One more thing what we can disassemble is this section here. It's easy to unscrew as well. If you need, just unscrew it from the barrel like so. So here is a disassembled fountain pen Montblanc Boheme. The cup, section, barrel, nib unit, mechanism and all of the rest. Simple as that. But now I want to show you how to reassemble this pen. Here is a few moments which I want to show you. So let's start with a unit and the mechanism. So first of all, this little plastic has a bit difference from both edges. So here is, if you can see the difference, this edge is a bit bigger than another side. This slightly bigger part you must put inside the nib unit like so, and then you can screw the unit inside. So this is the right position for the plastic, like you see here. Next step is the barrel. Let's try. Yeah, you can see the mechanism working, so everything is right. And now we can screw it secure. So let's take these two parts, but here is the moment. This part here and this small one, this small ring has as well difference between sides. If you can see here, if you can see a thickness here and thickness from another side, you can see here is a smaller, different. So with this different, smaller side, you must put like so. So now you can screw into the barrel. You can start with the fingers, but you must finish with your special tool. Ready? After that, you can screw the end part of the pen. And check if the mechanism working. Everything working fine. So next one is the section. Check if everything is fine. Everything is superb. And of course cap. So everything done, everything working, a beautiful pen. Everything is superb. Of course, don't forget to use all needed liquids. That's it for the moment. I hope you will find this information useful. Thanks for watching.